In the event of a chemical accident, in this concrete example, discharge of fluid from the pipe system of an industrial plant, prompt action and suitable products are required in addition to the correct PPE. After assessment and evaluation of the situation, what matters most are quick and effective measures to protect the environment. Further escape of chemicals into the canal system is prevented by a drain blocker. In using a drain blocker, it is important to ensure overlapping of at least 8 centimeters on each side to achieve reliable sealing. Leaked fluids are contained and absorbed with the use of chemical-resistant spill kits, so-called hazmat products. Pillows, mats and absorbent socks ensure quick and safe collection of discharged media. We would gladly provide you with a list showing chemical compatibility.